An exposure control plan is just that. It's a plan that the contractor comes up with that describes basically how the work is going to be controlled and how the workers are going to be protected, and if necessary, how their health is going to be monitored over the years. This is a requirement of the regulation. A homeowner who hires a contractor can request their exposure control plan. They should at least ask if they have one. Some of them are pretty involved and pretty detailed. Some of them may be a little bit simpler depending upon the kind of asbestos work that they do. They should at least make sure that they get other documentation associated with the job. But the contractor is required to have that exposure control plan or ECP on the site anyway. The clearance document is, again, another requirement of the regulation and essentially is a written document prepared by the contractor that basically states all of the asbestos that was identified in the survey and in the scope of work has been properly removed and disposed of, signed by the contractor. And that document is something that the homeowner should definitely ask for because it's the proof that the job supposedly was done correctly. If anything goes wrong, something is discovered down the road that was missed, or there's a huge mess left behind, say an electrician or a plumber comes in and says, yeah, what's all this stuff? This shouldn't be here. Then the homeowner can grab the contractor by the ear in that point and say, you said that this job was completed and completed properly and you signed off on it.